Hi all, welcome to TutorSpot. In this video, let's discuss about the role of a parser. Syntax analysis is the second phase in the phases of compiler. In the syntax analysis phase, a compiler verifies whether or not the tokens generated by the lexical analyzer are grouped according to the syntactic rules of the language. This is done by parser. The parser obtains a string of tokens from the lexical analyzer and verifies that the string can be the grammar for the source language. It detects and reports any syntax errors and produces a parse tree from which the intermediate code can be generated. Let's see the flowchart of role of syntax analysis. So here, the source program is giving input to the lexical analyzer. This is also called as scanner. Then the lexical analyzer will produce tokens and send those tokens to the syntax analyzer. This syntax analyzer is also called as parser. Then the identified tokens will be sent to the symbol table from the lexical analyzer, and white spaces comments will be neglected here. The parser, when receiving the tokens from the scanner, re-verifies it with the symbol table. If the token and identifier in the symbol table both matches, then the parser sends the request to the scanner for the next token. After receiving all the tokens, the parser then constructs the parse tree and sends that parse tree to the semantic analyzer. The main role of parser is to check whether the token is following the grammar of the language or not. Suppose we are using C language. The syntax analysis parser will check whether the token is following the C grammar or syntaxes correctly or not. If not following grammar correctly, then the parser will generate error messages. The errors have to be corrected by the user. Then again the process starts from giving source program as the input. Likewise, receiving all the tokens from the parser, the generated parse tree will be sent to the semantic analyzer, and the identified tokens will be saved in the symbol table also. Then the semantic analyzer will also verify with the symbol table to check whether the parse tree it received matches with the data present in the symbol table or not. These steps are written here. Lexical analyzer reads the source program, scans the input characters and groups them into lexemes, and then produces the stream of tokens as output. And the identified tokens enters into the symbol table. When lexical analyzer identifies the first token, it will send it to the parser. The parser receives the token and calls the lexical analyzer to send next token by issuing get next token command. This process continues until the lexical analyzer finds all the tokens. During this process, the lexical analyzer will neglect or discard the white spaces and comment lines. White spaces are nothing but the tab spaces or empty spaces like that. Syntax analyzer takes the tokens produced by lexical analyzer as input and constructs parse tree or syntax tree. Before constructing the parse tree, it verifies whether the tokens received from the lexical analyzer matches with the identified tokens in the symbol table. And finally, the parse tree generator will move to the semantic analyzer as the input. I already explained these steps while explaining the diagram. Suppose, for example, take C is equal to A plus B into 5. Here, C equal to A plus B into 5. All these are lexemes. So we have written here C equal to A plus B into 5. Lexical analysis reads the character received from the source code and groups those characters into meaningful sequences called lexemes. Defining these lexemes as identifiers and symbols are considered as tokens. So tokens here are for C ID1 equal to A as ID2 and plus operator, B as ID3 and multiplication operator, and 5. Next, in syntax analysis, same example, C is equal to A plus B into 5. So for constructing the parse tree, the identifier C is at the left and equal to is the assignment operator at the middle, and the expression plus is at the right, and the plus operator has identifier A at the left, and the other expression multiplication operator is at the right, and finally for this multiplication operator, identifier B is at the left, and finally the number 5 is at the right of this multiplication operator. Then this parse tree will move to the next phase, which is the semantic analyzer phase. Then it generates the verified parse tree in that semantic analyzer phase. But here our topic is only up to the parser. So this is all about the role of the parser. Thank you.